Okay, kiddos, today we're going to work with some metric numbers. So in the United States, we measure things in what's called standard measurements. But most of the rest of the world uses the metric system. So today we're going to look at changing kilometers, which is abbreviated km, into meters. Okay? So here's what we need to know. We need to know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, so this is the one we're working with today. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So if I have a number like this, let's say I have 8 kilometers, I would have 8,000 meters. Okay? Really have to look at the zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. All right, let's try another one. If I have 84 kilometers, or I could say kilometers, either way, that is going to equal 84, because I use this, and then I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros onto it. 1, 2, 3. So 84 kilometers is 84,000 meters. Well, we can do the backwards part too. What if we have 5,000 meters? How many kilometers do I have? Well, then it's just kind of like taking away 3 zeros. So I would have 5 kilometers. Okay, we'll do one more that way, and then I want you to finish this page of problems. If I have 28,000 meters, I would have, remember I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3 zeros, I would have 28 kilometers. So go ahead and do the problems on this slide, please.